Nihari is a traditional brunch item from Pakistan. It is served with naan. Let us see how to make it using an instant pot.
The ingredients we need are red chili powder 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, fried onion 2 tablespoons, Kashmiri red chili 1 teaspoon, black pepper half teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, fennel seed powder 2 teaspoon, star anise quarter teaspoon, cardamom quarter teaspoon, 4 tablespoon oil for cooking, 1 pound chicken, half cup dry roasted whole wheat flour. Now we start the instant pot on saute mode. Add oil. And add ginger garlic paste. Now cook the ginger garlic paste for a couple of minutes. Now after 2 or 3 minutes, when it turns light brown, I will add my chicken. After 2 minutes, I will start adding my spices. Chili powder, salt, Kashmiri red chili, black pepper, cumin powder, cardamom, star anise, and fennel. Now I will cook it. Now I will add the onions and cook it for next 4 to 5 minutes.
So you waited a couple of minutes after adding the before adding the onions, right?
Just 1 minute. You can add a little water to cook it for next 5 minutes. As you can see, the oil is separated. Now I will add 2 cups of water. Now I will start the pressure. In the meantime, I mix the flour in 1 cup of water. After mixing it, I will set it aside and wait for the nihari to be ready. 4 minutes, I will set the handle to venting mode. After the steam is released, I will open the lid. Start the saute mode. Now I will add 1 cup of water to increase the gravy. After it starts boiling, I will add this flour mixture a little by little to adjust the consistency of the gravy. Now let it cook on saute mode on less. Nihari is ready.
Wow, it's mouth-watering. Thank you.